Hey YouTubers, welcome to another episode of VGL Tech. Here we have a product that I received from a company in Melbourne, Australia, and that company is called Liquid. They make wallets and Keycaddies. And as you can see, the bigger one is the wallet. And you can see it says Liquid on the front, and on the bottom it says it was made in Melbourne, and what's included in the wallet is one liquid wallet, one keyring attachment, and 4 screws. Next we have the Keycaddy. As you can see, the Keycaddy has one Keycaddy, 2 screws, 1 ring, 1 extension post, some washers, and the link on how to use the Keycaddy and the wallet. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll get started with the carbon fiber Keycaddy mat. Opening it up, as you can see here, there is a pamphlet on the inside which talks about the carbon fiber material and how carbon fiber is a really light material that is used for the carbon fiber Keycaddy. And as you can see on the back, there's instructions on how to use the carbon fiber Keycaddy, and also included is a coin. Now this coin is used to unscrew pretty much the flat screwdrivers inside the Keycaddy and the carbon fiber wallet. You could use a flathead screwdriver, but you probably don't want to because you don't want to risk damaging the screws. Also included, they add extra items. They have the keyring inside here. If I can just get this open. So once I get this open, I can show you. As you can see here, okay, finally got it open. As you can see here, I have the keyring and also some extra longer flathead screws. And here we have the main piece of the carbon fiber Keycaddy. And as you can see, you have the top and bottom, and over in the top left hand corner there is a place where you can put pretty much the keyring, so you can add your car keys or other items. And there you have it. This is the carbon fiber Keycaddy. Let's go ahead and see if we can add a couple keys in here. Okay, let's get started with the Keycaddy. As you can see in front of me, I have a couple keys here and my car key. And let's go ahead and add these to the carbon fiber Keycaddy. We're gonna unscrew the left screw. You can use a coin or a finger, but I recommend using a coin instead of a flathead. Like I said before, you might damage the screw. You can just loosen it up with the coin and then unscrew it with your fingers. Okay, got the first one, and there's usually only 2. I'm just gonna loosen it up again with the coin. And that's the second one here. Okay, and underneath here, as you can see, we have all the spacers, and also we have 2 different kinds of spacers in here. You have the thicker spacer and the thin spacer, and it all depends on the size of the keys that you're using and what type of spacer you'll need. So first we'll put one key right here, and then we'll add another key over here. Okay, like this. And then next up, we would add the spacers. once you have the keys lined up. So since I'm only using 2 keys, I'm going to use the thicker spacer so it has more of a comfortable fit within the Keycaddy. So next you just put the spacers and then you put the screws in, and then you can just use your hands at the beginning. Gonna see here, and then tighten the other side with your hands, and then you would just use a coin to tighten it up even further to finish off the tightening. Yep, and like I said, it doesn't take that much pressure. You don't want to try to over tighten it because then you might strip the screws on the inside. But once you tighten it all up, and there you have it. As you can see here, the key sits pretty neatly inside the Keycaddy. You can barely see it, and then you would just pop a key out by just pulling it or pushing it. As you can see, it won't fall out, it's not loose. And then you can use the other key same way, or use the other key. I also have my car key, which also just hook on to the key ring. As you can see how the car key sits with the key ring. Or you can use the smaller keychain that was supplied with the Keycaddy for your car keys. And there you have it. Just gonna take the car key off. And there you have it. This is the carbon fiber Keycaddy. So next, we're gonna move on to the carbon fiber wallet. So we're just gonna move a couple of these items aside. Gonna move the washers and the extra screws and the key ring and the extra keys and the car keys. So as you can see here, next we have a wallet. It's just same type of packaging, very protective, very nice. As you can see, you also have the cushion when you initially get the wallet. And first we have the liquid multi-tool. Let me just take this out. And what this tool can be used for is that you can add it to either the Keycaddy or the wallet. But as you can see here, you have the flathead, but also has hex holes, so you can use it as a hex screwdriver. And then also you have the hole. And next you have the liquid USB drive. Just let me take this out. And as you can see here, this is the liquid 32 gig USB. And as you can see, that's the part where you push into the computer, and the other part is to hook it into the Keycaddy or the wallet. Now the main thing here, we have the wallet. And as you can see here, this is the carbon fiber liquid wallet, which is pretty light. Now you have a keyring that sticks out right there, and then you have the strap to hold out your cash and your cards. And this is just another pamphlet, just like the fiber Keycaddy, that talks about the carbon fiber material. So I'm just gonna put that aside. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see here, we have our coin, and we're gonna loosen up these screws so we can add the keys. So like I said before, with the Keycaddy, you can loosen them up pretty easily with your fingers once you do the initial loosen with the coin. So we can add any kind of combinations to this. We can add the accessories, we can add the house keys, and as you can see here, there's also the key ring. And as you can see underneath here, we have more spacers. We also have the key ring, which you can or cannot use. As you can see, you can take off the key ring and not use the key ring. So like I said, see, you can put any type of combination. You could put the multi-tool right there. You could put the USB right there. And then you could attach the key ring. Or you can put some keys. And as you can see here, put some house keys. And then you could take the house keys off. Or you can take the key ring off. Put the house keys up top, and then put the multi-tool and the USB in there. And next you would just put the cover on and you're good to go. Since you already have keys in your Keycaddy, you can use the wallet to hold the USB and the multi-tool. And so let's go ahead and stick the key ring on there. Then we're going to add the spacers. Oh, actually, we might not need the spacer because the spacers are actually built into the cover. So like I said, you would maybe only need the spacers if you want a tighter fit. But let's go ahead and, as you can see, I'm just using my hands to screw in the flathead screws. One on top, one on the bottom. Again, one on top and one on the bottom. And once you have all the screws in, you just tighten it with a coin. Which is highly recommended. That way you don't scratch or chip the flathead screwdrivers. Just gonna tighten up the other two sides. And gonna tighten up the last screw right here at the bottom. Just make sure they're nice and tight with my finger. That's just my preference. As you can see here, I'm just gonna tighten it just a little bit more on the USB side and the multi-tool side. And just a little bit tighter on the key side. And there you go. As you can see there, pretty tight. and you can see the way it fits the keyring right there, in there, and in here you stick the items. As you can see here, I have a couple cards. Got a Venmo card and another card, and then I have some cash. You just fold the cash. As you can see, its strap is pretty tight. Your cards and your wallets will not fall out. And then, as you can see here, you pull out the multi-tool and you just twirl it back in, and then you can just pull out the USB, plug it into a computer, put it away, and also you would attach your car key to the keyring on top right here. Or you could attach your car key to the carbon fiber Keycaddy and remove the keyring from your wallet to use for other accessories. And there you have it. You have the carbon fiber liquid wallet and the carbon fiber Keycaddy key holder. I'll be sure to put a link on my YouTube channel. Also, they gave me a custom link for a $10 off on their website, in which I'll post on the YouTube channel and also share links on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment and please subscribe. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye.